Okay, it looks like we scored Rockstar parking. It's such an ordeal to go to the beach in a car on a weekend. Alright, look at them styling. I gotta put on my skates.
Hey.
We'll see how it goes getting them in there. And riding with them. We've never done this before. Hey, do we need the pump?
Oh, we should stick it in the back, I guess, in case.
Okay, ready for your ride? Stay in. Who's that squealy dog? I can't even see in this camera. Oh my God. He sounds like he's being tortured.